Hello folks, a very good morning, afternoon and evening to everyone around the globe. This is Yes Crypto and we say yes to cryptocurrencies. We all somewhere believe or want to believe in cryptocurrencies and its power to bring financial freedom to us. I have been following this space since early 2018 and I am on this journey since almost a year now. I have started this channel with a vision to share with more and more people an opportunity that I myself have experienced and gained through cryptocurrencies. Hence, I bring this channel Yes Crypto in an attempt to give a wider sense of cryptocurrencies and awareness about altcoins that give true opportunity to get gains not in percentage but in excess. Before I proceed, I want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is a financial advice. Everything that you hear or see in this video is personal view and this video is for entertainment purposes only. As I said, today I am going to speak about one such altcoin that is on its way to hit the markets and in final preparation of launch of its token called SIA. SIA network is the decentralized data cloud for enterprises. It aims to have enterprise adoption by combining interoperability and decentralized data cloud. To achieve data interoperability, network scalability, and new business opportunities, SIA has developed its own blockchain, which is not only distributed ledgers but allow for ecosystem solutions by customizing enterprise data. To understand better about this ambitious project, I recommend you watch this video till very end. SIA team have some of the very well versed and experienced leaders in their team, which include Fred Jin, CEO and co-founder of SIA. He is a Silicon Valley veteran since 1993, having startup experiences and is founding member of companies like 50 Cubes, Bebo and now founder of SIA. Kenzie Wong, co-founder of SIA. He is a founding partner at a well-known and reputed US-based VC firm AU21 Capital. AU21 Capital invests in early-stage projects and its crypto portfolio includes the likes of Graph, Polkadot, Binance, Marlin and many more. Ian Duggan, CTO and co-founder of SIA. He is a tech lead manager, search and discovery at Twitch. He has studied from MIT. Martin Bosma, CMO at SIA. His experience of CEO at Proofy, LTO Network, Fill the Doc is value to SIA Network. Prasanna Kondapeneni, Director of Engineering at SIA. He has worked with Team F1, Dealing, One Straw Naturals, Team Iconics. Miles Jennison, Head of Revenue. Kevin Liu, Head of PR. And Aurelian Nicholas, the lead architect. Advisors include some well-known names like Brett Bao, Rajni Ramanathan and Zokum Hakma. What is decentralized data cloud? As data is the new oil in this technology and data-driven business world, every entity wants to safeguard its data and want optimal use of data generated from businesses. As SIA's vision paper states, quote unquote, the world of customer data management is changing and the future lies in decentralized frameworks of data pools, exchange services, and application environments. Today's business landscape is becoming increasingly interconnected. Companies are connecting to and sharing data with an increasing number of stakeholders, customers, partners, vendors, subcontractors. To solve this problem, SIA plans to lead blockchain adoption among enterprises by empowering them to take full advantage of their own customer data. DDC allows enterprises to own their data and have 100% control over who can use it and for what purpose. SIA's DDC platform onboards enterprises through a suite of plug-and-play modules and frameworks. SIA offers enterprise-ready APIs and its DDC platform helps to speed up decentralized application development. It uses bridges to major L1 networks and data on-ramps to connect traditional SaaS platforms. How will SIA achieve interoperability? Since interoperability is one of the core features of SIA network and everything on its blockchain, SIA uses substrate-based solution for its enterprise clients through Polkadot, which consists of interconnected layers. These solutions or networks may be private, permissioned and standalone, or they may be public and permissionless. Also, being substrate based, SIA network can be integrated with any Polkadot based L1 network to serve as a secondary chain. SIA plans to go for Polkadot parachain auctions as it will be more secured with integration of Polkadot's relay chain and ecosystem. If you want to know more about Polkadot and relay chain, let me know in the comments below and I will surely do a video on Polkadot as well. How does SIA plan to enter DeFi? SIA aims to bring DeFi as a SaaS and have coined the concept of SaaS DeFi. This allows enterprises to create smooth flow of financial data and manage finances efficiently by minimizing potential losses caused due to revenue leakage and loss of ROI opportunities on its idle capital. It also allows to leverage accounts receivable and direct frictionless payments. SIA will be incorporating Substrate's WebAssembly aka WASM-based smart contract engine. Hence, it will be able to support major programming languages such as Solidity integrations. SaaS DeFi smart contracts will allow enterprises to interact with various DeFi applications running on other blockchains and make use of the best dApps available without needing support from any kind of third-party tech giants. SIA is a founding partner of SaaS DeFi Alliance. This alliance aims to establish universal protocol standards for the enterprise DeFi space and improve communications between the enterprises and the DeFi ecosystem. It includes many prominent names like Binance, Chainlink, Ren, Polygon, Anchor, LatentTree, Reef, Crust, and Astra. Is SIA in NFT space too? Well, SIA's decentralized data cloud platform is not only restricted to providing data management and DeFi to enterprises but has also developed NFT marketplace, which unlocks the potential of secure asset delivery where only those holding NFT can enjoy the full experience of NFT-backed content. SIA aims to provide blockchain solution for real-world and crypto platforms. The NFT marketplace will be directly integrated with social media for wider adoption. SIA has built a new royalty NFT contract, which will be the standard for distribution of revenue amongst stakeholders. If you have made it so far and still watching me, you might be wondering who backs SIA. So let me tell you, incubated by Binance Labs, SIA Network have received full support, mentorship and guidance from Binance Labs team to expand their network and partnerships during the early days of development in 2019. They have received further vote of confidence from industry heavyweights, reputed VC firms and investors like Binance Labs, Finbushi, Arrington XRP Capital, Republic Labs and Neo Global Capital. SIA also have partnerships with an array of well-known projects which include the likes of Polygon, Chainlink, Elrond, Astra, Crust, Taurus, Davinia, Anchor, Reef, LatentTree, Bluezell, Apron, Demodify and Lithium Finance. SIA has a very detailed and extensive tokenomics. As you can see here, about 31.9% of tokens are sold through various rounds including public sale on Republic, SHO DAO Maker and Polkastarter. These public rounds constitute of a staggering 11% of total supply of SIA. Out of these platforms, date of Polkastarter sale is still to be announced and will be followed by listing of SIA token. Initially, SIA token will be issued as ERC20 token. SIA had conducted its first sale for community back in September 2019 when SIA partnered with Matic, now Polygon, and offered Matic community to invest USD 100,000, which got oversubscribed by 16x. This was the first ever opportunity offered to general public to buy and invest into SIA network. Link to detailed tokenomics, vesting schedules, locks, unlocks, timing of token releases, and also details related to public sale and prices thereof are available for you to check down below in description box. Speculations as to where will the price of SIA token land are continuously made by community. However, price of SIA token can only be known once it is listed and dust is settled. I am sure that project like SIA is not to be undermined by price speculations, and you must try to do some DYOR on projects like these if you are interested to invest in these projects. In my opinion, this is a sure shot winner in the long run. not a financial advice though. However, I will surely suggest not to try to buy these tokens immediately when they are listed, but buy them once all the scheduled token release at TGE towards public and private allocations have happened and price have stabilized over at least a few hours of listing. Prices tend to move in a wide range during initial hours of listing, and due to high demand, the volatility remains high during these initial hours. The exchanges where SEER token will list are yet to be announced. However, there is a hint that SEER tokens will list on multiple exchanges, and at least one of those exchanges may be a tier 1 exchange. I think SEER is highly anticipated tier 1 project which is trying to bring blockchain tech not only to masses but to enterprises. With an already existing client base, SEER project is definitely a bet for enterprises to get their CRM data and DeFi solutions resolved. At least a better solution from the current traditional solutions. Not to forget that SEER has its hands on NFT marketplace as well, and NFT is the narrative having high adoption level for cryptocurrencies. With strong backers and highly experienced team, SEER should definitely make it to a top 100 project by market cap. But hey, do not hold me for that, as none of this is a financial advice and are totally personal views. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed and gained some knowledge from the content in this video. Also, would like to have your feedback in the comment section below. Before going, do not forget to like, subscribe and click the bell button for more of my content coming to you. This will also help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to everyone who are looking to hear about cryptocurrencies and financial freedom. Thank you and goodbye.